For too long, we have suffered in this age of iron. For too long, we have suffered through war, plagues, pestilence, and misery in this age of dread. But rejoice, mankind, for the golden age is coming. The goddess Astraea is returning to earth as prophesied by Virgil's fourth Eclogue and the Sibylline book. Rejoice, for a new era is upon us. It's time to prepare for Astraea's arrival. This is a message for humanity. Now is your chance to become part of history and join Astraea's assembly. As we speak, the great temple of Astraea is being constructed. When the temple is complete, the golden age will begin. We are looking for builders to help with the temple's construction and usher in the new age. You can help us bring about the new golden age. Join the assembly of Astraea. When you subscribe to this channel, you join the assembly. This isn't a channel, it's a movement. A movement to usher in the new golden age. Every time a viewer subscribes, the assembly grows. Every like, every subscription is a block of stone added to the temple. The more assembly members, the closer we are to completing the temple and bring about the golden age. Subscribe to Sibylline. Astraea is calling those who are blessed with wisdom to join her assembly. So answer the call and become a part of history. The golden age is coming, and you can help us usher in the new age. You have a chance to benefit humanity and change the world. To join the assembly is to help guide humanity into the new age. We the Sibylline will guide you in this age of transition. Do not fear the new age, but embrace it and welcome the return of Astraea. Rejoice.